So I made this pound lotus Biscoff cake, and listen, this was a hit. 10 out of a 10. Stay tuned for the video. Experimenting gives me so much inner peace. Stay tuned for my video. Hey guys, welcome back, kings and queens, to a 5-star prepping. Today I'll be baking a Biscoff cake. All my ingredients and measurements will be added in the description box. I use some Biscoff butter, Biscoff crackers, eggs, sugar, butter, milk, and a little vanilla. I combined white sugar and brown sugar. Here I am crushing my crackers while my butter, cream cheese that I also used in it, is mixing, and I am just crushing some of the crackers because I'll be adding this to the mixture. Welcome to my channel if you're new. It is always free to give the video a like. It costs you nothing. So here I used 3 eggs, and I'm adding the egg to my butter and sugar. Once done, I didn't want to overbeat. I added my all-purpose flour and a little hint of vanilla. This recipe is a replica from Kimmy's creation. However, she used pound cake flour. I used all-purpose flour. So in this cake, it's Biscoff crackers and it's vegan. There's no nut in this. I added this to my mixture once I folded in my flour. I grease my tin, and I'll be ready to add this to my oven to bake at 325 degrees. This is a Biscoff pound cake. Once I added some of my butter, then I added some of the Biscoff butter in the middle of the cake. So once it bakes, it will have this little creamy area in the middle. Thank you for watching, and I also thank you for giving this video a like. It's always free, guys. Thank you for your support. Even if you're not a subscriber and you're watching this video, thank you. Once I added my butter, I used my spatula to flatten everything out. Then I just added the rest of my butter. This is how you want your batter to look. This cake, even if your back is broad, they bend broad back. So don't worry. Summer is coming. You want your summer body. Don't worry about big back. This is my cake after 1 hour and 20 minutes. Listen, if your cake is not jiggly like this, then you did it wrong. So I touch it, it's like soft. It's a pound cake, more like a sponge cake. Then your girl melted some of the Biscoff butter and some cream cheese to add on this. Remember, I'm not a cake baker or a decorator. I just love to experiment. I love to try new things, and I'm just drizzling a little on it, and I added some of the Biscoff crackers on my cake. And these Biscoff cookies, listen, they are the bomb. They are vegan, and as I say, if you have nut allergy, no concern. There is no nut in the butter or in the crackers. Once done, ta-da, I give myself a 10 out of a 10 with this. The look, the feel, everything, the texture of the cake, everything came out immaculate. And you girl had to cut a slice so you see what this looked like. Listen, it was soft. It had everything that I imagined, and it came out excellent. Remember, I'm not a professional baker. However, I can experiment, and I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. 10 out of a 10 on this. My family enjoyed it. Tasted really, really good. Biscoff pound cake. It was lit. Thank you for coming to my channel. If you haven't yet liked the video, please remember to give your girl a like. And the decorating part of it, listen, it was late at night, yes, and I stayed up to do vlogs for my channel. Experimenting gives me so much inspiration. I tasted my cake and it was lit.